Hey everyone, I'm Ganesh and in this video I'll show you how to resize photos and images online using Adobe Express. It's free, fast and super beginner friendly. First, go to Adobe Express. On the home page, search for Image Resizer. Or directly open the Resize image tool. Now click upload your image and choose any photo, whether it's a JPEG, PNG, product image or portrait. After your photo uploads, you'll see different size presets for Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails and more. If you need a specific size, just type your own width and height in pixels. For example, you can set it to 1920 into 1080 for a YouTube thumbnail. Adobe Express also gives you control to adjust your resized image. You can crop it, move it around, zoom in, or choose how the image fits into new size. This helps you make sure everything looks perfect before downloading. Once you're happy with the final look, click on download. Your image will be saved in high resolution with no watermark and ready for use on any platform, whether it's your website, social media, or portfolio. This tool is useful for everyone: creators making social media content, small business owners uploading product images, YouTubers creating thumbnails, students editing documents or posters, and freelancers working on client designs. And that's how easy it is to resize photos and images online using Adobe Express. Whether you are selling products, posting on Instagram, or designing for a client, this tool helps you work faster, smarter, and stress-free. Try Adobe Express now. The website link in the caption below. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.